Today we are going to make a balloon car. And in the balloon car, it's only going to be powered by air. So the air will go through the balloon, through the straw, and out, which will push the car forward. Okay, let's get started. In your kit, you will find these materials. The base of the car, some double-sided tape, 2 straws, 2 toothpicks, 4 wheels, 1 straw, and 1 balloon, the body of the car, and some decorations. Okay, let's get started with building. Take the base, flip it over, and take 2 double-sided tape. Take the sticker off and put it near the front of the car, like this. Okay, next. Repeat for the next double-sided tape, but put it back. It's a little bit wonky. Okay. Next, take one of the straws and place it on the front. Make sure it's properly stuck to the tape. Okay. Then take the other straw and place it on the back. Okay. Then take one of the toothpicks and pass it through one of the straws. Then take a wheel and attach it to the toothpick and do it on the other. And these will become the axles of the car. May take a little bit of time to put it in. Okay, I think I've got it. And do that for the back. Nothing's going to be different. Okay, so after you're done with these, make sure, so once you've made the base, check the wheels and make it spin. If the axle is spinning freely, then it's fine, like this. Now that the base is done, we can keep it aside and work on the engine. You take the straw and make sure the bendy part is on down. Then you keep the straw in the balloon, and you keep the balloon here. Now, take a piece of tape and stick it onto the end of the balloon and wrap it around a few times. Okay, this will be the engine of the car, and you have to make sure the balloon is on the bendy end of the straw, not the long end. And now we have to test the engine by blowing into the long end and seeing if the balloon blows up. Yep, the engine works. Now we are going to put the engine into the car. First, take the base and take a pencil and poke the pencil through the middle of the base. And then it will make a hole. So you use take the long end of the engine and pass it through the hole. Keep passing until the tape is about to go in. Then bend it from here and make sure it goes out of one of these ends. Now it's time to stick the base to the body. Now I've took the paper off of the double-sided tape. Now it's time to stick it onto the base. So you have to remember that the exhaust, the straw, should be always facing the back. And you have to make sure the pool noodle is exactly in place with the base. Like this. Okay, now it's the fun part. You get to decorate the racer with stickers. Wow, amazing. My decorated racer looks awesome. I've put some front lights, a number, some star stickers, and some tail lights. And I've also trimmed the axles a little bit so they don't stick out. Now it's going to be time to test it out. The racer is ready to race. So let's first warm up the engine by blowing through the exhaust. We will fill up the balloon. When you're done, pinch the balloon so none of the air escapes. Then keep your racer on the ground and then let go. Why does the balloon car work? Why does it move forward? Well, now let's explain the science behind it. So, when you let go of the balloon, the air travels through the straw under the body and it goes out through the exhaust. And then when it comes out, it forces back, which makes an opposite force, which will push the balloon car forward. And that's the science behind it.